How's it going, everyone? Mike here, July 26th, Merch by Amazon sales update. It was another good day. As you can see here in the US, I made 9 sales, $158.91 in sales for a total of $31.07 in royalties. This is actually pretty cool to see because it was pretty much all different items. And I actually like to see that variety. Like, don't get me wrong, I love to sell, 100 of these a day, but I actually like to see new products selling and different ones too. Not only because, if you make one sale, within that first year, they're up forever on Amazon. I guess that doesn't make sense if you make one sale and never sell another one again. But I'm just saying, for the number of products that I would like to stay on Amazon forever, I need to make those different sales. This is the monthly total, but let's look at yesterday first. So 9 in the US and 1 in the UK for a total of 10. So a double-digit day. That makes me feel really good, especially after this kind of a week. 6s and 4s, and then there was that spike on Sunday, and then the day that we're reviewing, the 26th. Today's Tuesday. As you can see here, 3 sales already first thing in the morning, which is nice, but we'll see. So where does that bring us? And that brings us to that previous info page that I had up, which was total sales for July, and it's 219. So let me just pull up the calendar here quickly. We have today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days left, and that's looking like a pretty good month. Definitely nothing extraordinary, and the US sales are definitely down and slower. Like it's definitely July and summertime. But if we look at the overall averages, I'm okay. I'm actually just where I want to be. I'd like to see that big spike, but I'm assuming over the next couple of months we're going to be seeing a lot more sales coming in. What I do like is this. There's no significant drops. Like, okay, in February there was a bit of a drop, at least in the US, but there's nothing where I'm kind of getting worried. I would really like this to shoot up, but what I also like is seeing this. If we were to look at any of my videos maybe 2-3 months ago, this was not the case. I was still getting probably a bunch of zeros. I was getting excited when I would get one sale in each marketplace, but now, as you can see here, there's all kinds of numbers across the board, which is all right. So 219 first 26 days, and let's see how that compares to June, because I wanted to see if I'm going to catch up to June, and we're getting pretty close. So 222, as you can see here, the sales dropped off near the end of June, but for me they're picking up. So what is this? 222 for the first 26 days, and 219. So we're about 6, let's say 6 sales behind, because the 3 are from today. This is really good, because maybe 2-3 days ago I was about 20 behind, and I said I hope I catch up, and that it looks like that's what's going to happen. Besides that, there's really nothing to talk about. Extremely slow week, and then like I said, I saw that spike. But if we look at this this calendar, which is for all the marketplaces, and also the whole month is included, you can see that there was a bit of a dip here, but overall, like, it was a pretty average month so far. So that's where that kind of like difference comes in, and a very small difference. I am confident that the next couple of months we're going to be seeing all kinds of things happen. I'm assuming that Amazon is also preparing for Q4. We're also I'm assuming, preparing for Q4, looking at the live number of products. Like for me, like I said, this is going up by 200 every single day. And you know, I just gotta keep working. That's kind of where I am right now. Sales are coming in. I keep working. I keep listing. I keep creating new designs, and I'm thinking long term. You know, I'm not gonna be disappointed if something happens over the next couple of weeks or months where you know, maybe my sales do have a dip. But I'm thinking a year from now, you know, where I'm assuming this is gonna be hopefully, you know, over 50, 60, 100,000 products, and I have no idea what's going to happen then. I'm just staying positive. Let me know how you guys are doing. As always, thank you for watching. See you soon.